Hey guys, I welcome you to Knowledges. So today we will be discussing 9th August 2021's editorial with vocab. So let's get started. So to download the PDFs, you can join the Telegram channel Knowledges, and for regular classes, you can subscribe this channel. There are two editorial topics today. The first one is tightrope work on reining in inflation and RBI's credibility. And the second one is about golden arm on India's medal tally at Tokyo Olympics. So let's get started with the vocabs. So the first word is engender. Engender is a verb. It means to cause or give rise to a feeling or a situation or a condition. आप किसी भी एक feeling को, situation को या फिर condition को पैदा कर रहे हो, means you're giving rise to something is called as engender. So the synonyms will be cause, produce, provoke, and the antonyms will be destroy, extinguish, and prevent. Then the next word is disquieting. Disquieting is an adjective. So it means a feeling of worry or unease. तो आप किसी भी चीज को लेके आपके मन में एक worry, आप worried हो, then it is called disquieting. So the synonyms will be restless, nervous, fidgety, feverish, preoccupied. मतलब आप किसी भी चीज को लेके बेचैन हो तो फिर उसे हम disquieting कहते हैं. Then the next word is predicament. Predict से predicament है. Predicament means an unpleasant and difficult situation that is hard to get out of. तो फिर किसी भी एक कठिन परिस्थिति है, एक अनप्लेजेंट सिचुएशन या फिर डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन है जिससे कि बाहर निकलना बहुत ही कठिन हो रही है, then it is called predicament. So the synonyms for predicament will be difficulty, issue, trouble, while the antonyms for predicament will be benefit, ease, and solution. Then the next word is augur. Augur is a verb. It means of an event or circumstance पोर्टेंट एक गुड और बैड आउटकम. किसी भी चीज का एक मतलब अच्छा या बुरा जो आउटकम निकलता है उसे हम ऑगर कहते हैं. सो द सिनोनिम्स विल बी प्रेडिक्ट, फॉरबोर्ड, बोर्ड, while the antonyms will be assure, calculate, and ensure. Then the next word is ebb. Ebb is a verb. It means to become weaker. आप किसी भी चीज को weak कर दे रहे हो या फिर आप खुद weak हो जा रहे हो, that is called ebb. Ebb means the synonyms for ebb will be retreat, retreating, abating, and the antonyms will be increase, intensify. Then the next word is dissenting. Ing hai, but it is used as an adjective, so the parts of speech will be adjective. So the meaning of dissenting is to differ in opinion. आप opinion में जो difference आ रही, differ कर रहा है जो opinion, that is called dissenting. So the synonyms will be heterodox, unconventional, and differing, and the antonyms will be agreeing, assenting, concurring. Then the next word is hurl. Hurl is a verb. It means to throw something with great force. आप किसी भी चीज को फेंक रहे हो बहुत ज्यादा force effort लगा के, then it is called hurl. So the synonyms for hurl is throw, toss, lunge, dash, while the antonyms will be catch, hold. Then the next word is meager. Meagre. So it is an adjective. It is the parts of speech is an adjective. So it means too small an amount. किसी भी चीज जो कि बहुत ही कम amount का है, amount में कम है, then it is called meager. So the synonyms for meager will be inadequate, modest, scanty, deficient, and the antonyms will be abundant and adequate. Let's move to the next slide. So the first word is stature. Stature is a noun. It means the height of a person or a reputation of a person or a reputation gained by a person. किसी भी चीज के, किसी भी लोग के height को या फिर किसी लोग, किसी भी एक लोग मतलब किसी भी एक person के reputation के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, then also it is called as stature. So the synonyms for stature will be height, size, tallness, reputation, repute, status. And the next word is tantalizingly. It is an adjective. It means something that makes you feel excited and hope that you might get or do something. आप किसी को मतलब आप किसी चीज जो कि आपको क्या करे, encourage करती हो, ठीक है, तो मतलब आपको एक्साइटेड करे, आपको होपफुल कराए कि आप किसी भी चीज को स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए, then it is called tantalizing. So the synonyms for tantalizing will be tempting, alluring, while the antonyms will be tedious, tiresome, and boring. Then the last word is rinasha. Rinasha is a noun. It means a revival of a renewed interest in something. Means हम जो transition period कहते हैं, rinasha मतलब एक reborn है, ठीक है, आप एक नया जन्म जो होता है, एक revival जो होता है, एक renewal जो होता है, that is called rinasha. So the synonyms for rinasha will be resurrection, rejuvenation, regeneration, while the antonyms will be decline, devaluation, and failure. So let's move to the first editorial. So it is about tightrope work on reining in inflation and RBI's credibility. तो फिर ये क्या बोला गया है, ये जो tightrope work है means as we usually हम बोलते हैं ना, like I am walking a tightrope at the moment. Sorry, मतलब हम क्या मीन करते हैं, आई एम वॉकिंग ए टाइट रोप एट द मोमेंट, मतलब हम अभी एक डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में हैं, जो कि अगर हम फिर से कोई अगर एक मिस्टेक, एक छोटी सी भी मिस्टेक कर दें, देन it will lead to some bad results or it will cause more difficulty. आप किसी means you are in a difficult situation right now and even one more mistake could have a very bad result. तो उसे हम टाइट रोप कहते हैं. So it is about the tight rope work. A work in a very bad situation or in a condition on reining in inflation and RBI's credibility. So it is all about RBI's credibility on reining the inflation. रीनिंग मतलब क्या है, अब कंट्रोल में लाना, लिमिट करना, कन्फाइन करना. The RBI should not undermine its own credibility by delaying steps to rein in inflation. उसे क्या करना चाहिए, अंडरमाइन नहीं करना चाहिए उसके own credibility में by delaying steps to limit in inflation. मतलब steps में डिले नहीं करना चाहिए for to limit in inflation. So let's start reading. Governor Saktikanta Das. So as you must have known that RBI's governor is Sri Saktikanta Das, and he has given a statement, and he says that accompanying the RBI's latest policy announcement highlights the bind that monetary authorities find themselves in. While the central bank's growth supportive actions maintain the benchmark interest rate at a decade low, ensuring ample liquidity and an accommodative policy stance are yet to help engender a meaningful recovery. Inflation continues to disquietingly hover around the 6% upper bound of its mandated target. So it is hovering about around the 6% upper bound of its hovering means it is revolving, और you are आप किसी भी चीज के पास means वही घूरता रह रहा है, मतलब it is hovering around the 6% upper bound of its mandated target. Governor Das acknowledged the RBI's predicament when he said before the onset of the pandemic, headline inflation and inflammatory expectations were well anchored at 4%, the gains from which not to be consolidated and preserved. Stability in inflation rest fosters credibility of the monetary policy framework and augurs well for anchoring inflation expectation. तो फिर यहाँ पे क्या बोली गई है कि जो भी ये current framework है is appropriate for the next 5 years according to a report that is given by the RBI on Friday, and it is means after it was reviewed for the flexible inflation जो भी ये targeted regime था, ठीक है, previous 5 years को लेके जब ये मतलब review किया गया, then it is given that it is appropriate, the current framework is appropriate for the next 5 years according to the report that is given from RBI on Friday according to the latest policy announcement. This in turn reduces uncertainty for investors, increases external competitiveness, and thus in growth promoting. It is this vital inflation targeting remit that the Monetary Policy Committee has temporarily set aside in the wake of COVID-19 and its brutal impact. जो भी ये monetary policy में जो भी ये changes आई हैं, inflation आई है, vital inflation, ये सब this all decide in the wake of COVID-19 and its COVID-19 के वजह से and its brutal effect, जो भी उसका impact रहा है उसके लिए. While the central bank focuses its effort on using all available policy tools to simultaneously preserve financial stability and support a durable economic revival, still the central bank's outlook for growth and inflation shows it a cognizant of the ground realities and the limits to its policy options. तो फिर यहाँ पे क्या कही गई है? That the central bank's view represents a pushback against any efforts by the government to release the inflation goal, okay, in order to get the policymakers to focus on the stimulating economic growth, asserting that domestic economic activity has started to recover with the ebbing of the second wave. The MPC is hopeful of a bounce back in rural demand on the back of agricultural output remaining resilient, coupled with urban consumption recovering as the manufacturing and service sectors rebound with a lag, and as increased vaccination help release pent-up demand. However, given the underlying conditions are still weak and the current situation index of consumer confidence in its own July survey is still stuck near the all-time low polled in May. तो फिर ये current situation index consumer confidence on July survey, July के survey के हिसाब से it is still stuck near the all-time low polled in May. The RBI has retained its full year GDP growth forecast at 9.5%. तो फिर ये जो भी full year GDP growth है, उसका forecast क्या है? Forecast क्या है? तो फिर निकला है कितना? 9.5%. The fact that it has at the same time lowered the Q2, Q3 and Q4 growth, graphical representation है, growth projections it made just 2 months ago, जो कि 2 months पहले ही की गई है by between 0.5 and 0.9 percentage points, belies the uncertainty in its outlook, with the monsoon rainfall deficit once again widening to -4% as on August 8. Latest Kharif showing estimates revealing an almost 23% shortfall, and composite PMI data for July showing a persistent contraction in business activity and continuing job losses. तो फिर ये जो भी उसके impact है वो सब यहाँ पे बताई गई है. It is hard to see either a near-term revival in demand or an easing in inflationary pressures from cereal and edible oil prices. तो फिर ये जो भी PMI data है, it is July, it was showing a persistent contraction in business activities and continuing job losses. Admitting the price pressures, the RBI has also raised its fiscal year inflation projection by 60 basic points to 5.7%. तो फिर RBI ने क्या क्या है raise कर दिया है उसका fiscal year inflation by 60 basic points to 5.7%. Also, with one of the 6 members of the MPC dissenting and voting against the language of the policy stance, it seems clear the central bank may sooner than later have to bite the bullet and start normalizing rates if it wants to avoid undermining its own credibility by delaying step to rein in inflation. ठीक है, तो फिर if अगर it will avoid undermining, they should not delay and they should take steps ahead to rein in inflation, to control or limit the inflation. So RRB के स्केल जो नए बैचेस शुरू हो गए हैं, आप लाइव और रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस देख सकते हो, टेस्ट सीरीज भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो ताकि आप अपने प्रिपरेशन को और ज्यादा बूस्ट अप कर सको. आप अगर न्यू 10 कोड लगा रहे हो तो फिर आपको स्पेशल 10% ऑफ मिलेंगी. आप टेलीग्राम पे नॉलेजेस चैनल में ज्वाइन हो जाएं और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Then the next editorial is about golden arm on India's medal Delhi at Tokyo Olympics. जैसे कि आपको पता होगा कि जुलाई 23 से हमने पढ़ा था कि जुलाई 23 से ओलंपिक्स शुरू हो गई थी, and yesterday itself on August 8 it ended, खत्म हो गया है. And India took on a golden glow at Tokyo on Saturday as Neeraj Chopra hauled the javelin. Javelin में नीरज चोपड़ा को एक गोल्ड मेडल मिला है ओलंपिक्स में. And after Avinav Bindra on 2008, this is on 2020, Neeraj Chopra has got a single Olympics singles में उन्होंने एक गोल्ड मेडल जीता है. So it is about India has bagged a few medals in the Olympics and one gold medal is won by Neeraj Chopra and India has won मतलब total 7 medals जीते हैं. Two of these are silver medals, 4 are bronze medals, and one is that gold medal won by Neeraj Chopra. And it is India's rank क्या था 48 था, and it is their best ever finish since 1980. And US is in rank 1 and China and Japan उसे follow कर है. Follow means China second में है, Japan third में है. So आप इसे पढ़ लेना. It is all about the medal tally. So IDBI बैंक के रिक्रूटमेंट के आप फुल कोर्स ज्वाइन कर सकते हो टेस्ट सीरीज के साथ. अगर आप कंबाइनिंगली ले रहे हो तो आपको एक 20% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएंगी नॉलेजेस के तरफ से. सो ज्वाइन दिस चैनल, सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, join us in Knowledgeist through Telegram and follow us in Facebook. Kindly subscribe this channel, like this channel. Have a good day. Thank you.